Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail art haul for you guys, and here we're starting off with some items from Aliexpress, and I have shown these in past previous hauls, but I did get my hands on some more, and these are just the marble ink bottles or ink bottles, and you can do so much with these. You can do marble, whatever you desire. So here I'm just gonna briefly show you the ones that I picked out, and then I'm gonna do some quick swatches just for you guys to see what they'd look like. So here next we're moving on to another item from Aliexpress, and these are some stickers that I purchased along with some water decals, and I absolutely loved this particular choice that I got. Like, I love the choices that I chose out from what they had to offer, and at a very affordable price. So here I'm starting off with these Chanel logo water decals, and they're just so pretty, and I love the variety of their different styles and colors, and I absolutely loved it. And I just had to get my hands on this. So yeah, I will have an organizational video in the future, and like I had mentioned in my last haul, I did purchase some furniture, so soon I will be having my nail desk tour, because I know a lot of people have been waiting on that, and I'm just so excited to finally show you guys my space and where I create my content in. And by the way, this one was definitely one of my favorites as well because of the Pikachu ones. I thought that was so nice. I absolutely loved Pokemon growing up when I was a little kid, so I was really happy to find these water decals. And next we're moving on to, of course, one of my absolute favorites, which is Hello Kitty. We have a variety of different Hello Kitty here, and I just was so happy to be able to find these. I know I usually don't really like the sheets, but in this case it was okay because they just had a variety of everything that I love. Like, they just had it all. So shout out to the seller. I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you're interested. And of course, I had to get my childhood favorite, which is SpongeBob SquarePants. And I love how they incorporated Jellyfish and Patrick, Mr. Krabs, and just along with some other characters from the show. So I was really happy to have a whole sheet just of SpongeBob. It's just like so heartwarming, you know, going back to your childhood and just remembering waking up early, eating cereal, and just watching some Nickelodeon. But anyway, so here we're moving on to some Mickey Mouse, which I used to love the Mickey Mouse show when they were babies. I forgot the name at the moment. I think it was like Looney Tunes, but yeah, it was definitely one of my favorite shows as well when I was a little kid. And next we are moving on to another sheet of Mickey, and they just have a variety of different styles, and that's what I absolutely love, just the variety of the different styles that they offer, and you just could create so much with these. And yeah, it's just so nice to stock up on Disney characters or whatever it is that you like in particular. Like, I have my phases where I go through being obsessed with nail art stickers, decals, female. I went through a phase where I was obsessed with female slices, the nail tips, glitter. Like, I just go through different phases when it comes to nail art. Right now, I would say I think I'm really into rhinestones at the moment. I've been trying to get my hands on Swarovski crystals, but I haven't gone to Michael's. So, and I went to the Sky Beads website and it said it was down, so I don't know if it's up now. But yeah, I definitely want to start my own Swarovski collection, but just for myself, you know, for when I do my nail sets. So here next I have a pile of these nail art stickers, and I really like the theme of these stickers and the graphics of it, so I think they're really cool. And yeah, here I'm just gonna briefly show you these. And then the other pack is actually, of course, one of my favorites, which is Hello Kitty, and I think this one brings like 60 or 70, the Hello Kitty one. So the good thing is that it does bring stickers for days. And by the way, guys, let me know down below in the comments, like always, what was your favorite item or items in today's nail art haul. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out, along with the notification bell. These Hello Kitty stickers are so cute, and they definitely bring me back to my childhood. There used to be this mall that I always used to go to when I was little. It was called Aventura Mall, and it still exists here in Aventura. And there used to be a Hello Kitty store, and I just remember going in there and getting all these things. And this like particular nail sticker pile definitely reminded me and took me back to that. So I was just really happy to come across this. And I don't know if it was I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but they're very glittery, so it's just so cute. I absolutely love them. So next we're moving on to a stamper, which is something that I really needed because I need the stamping plate. And now I have a stamping plate along with a stamper and some extra heads. Thank goodness, because I had lost mine. I don't think I lost it. I just feel like I have so much stuff piled up on top of so much stuff that I don't know what I have. And I'm not about to go through everything until everything is organized correctly. So yeah, sometimes that's an issue as well because I don't know what I have. I can't find things and it's just so irritating. But I'm so happy that I was finally able to buy this, and I did purchase this through Aliexpress along with apparently 2 stamping plates that I don't remember getting, but I guess I purchased it, and I'm guessing it's from the same seller because all this came together in the same packaging. So these are the extra heads. It brings a larger and a smaller size along with these 2 stamping plates that I guess I picked out. So here we have this one that's really nice, and then we have like a sweets one, just super cute. So next we're moving on to these rhinestones that I purchased through Shein, and here I'm just going to briefly show you the variety and quantity that it brings. I absolutely love how it brought so many different shapes, and it was super sparkly as well. So next we're moving on to these little micro beads, or I don't really know what people choose to call these. I just like to call them or caviar beads, but I absolutely love incorporating these with rhinestone application. It just definitely takes them to a whole other level. And I noticed that these are way smaller, the gold ones, which is perfect because I have the bigger size, and also brings on the other side silver ones as well, which I've never used the silver ones, so I definitely have to use them eventually to make a nice nail look out of them. And next we're moving on to another item that I purchased through Shein, and these are just some hollow rainbow stickers, and they just bring different geometric shapes and stuff, and they're really nice. And this is a pack of 4, and I love how it brings the smiley faces, super cute. And by the way guys, I'm so sorry for the noise. The AC just turns on every 5 minutes, and it's just really hard to do the voiceover sometimes because it's just constantly turning on, and then it kind of blocks everything, you know, all that noise. But I apologize. I'm really just trying to push out as much content as I can for you guys, so just excuse that noise in the back. So lastly, here we have this box of foils that I did purchase through Shein as well, and this is snakeskin. Apparently I didn't have foils that were snakeskin, so I definitely knew I had to have this in my collection. And this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.